Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Click, and welcome to SAS in 60. This week, we introduced the ability to add master visualization chart objects to another chart's custom tooltips, providing a simple way to combine summary and detail in a single visualization. Once your master visualization has been defined, it can be selected from the chart object's appearance tooltip properties. When set as a custom tooltip, under the chart title, select the Add Chart button, and select from the list of already defined master item visualizations. When in analysis mode, and you hover over a dimension in a chart, the tooltip will display the master visualization chart, which inherits the dimension state of the hovered values, enabling you to drill down directly in the graph. And that is your SAS in 60.